Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can redeem codes in Heartopia. And I will put the working codes in the description box down below or in the comment section. But we are going to go to this watch or select tab, go to settings, and in general, you'll see redeem code. You won't see it in any other tabs. So go to general, redeem code, and paste the code, press redeem. Please check the mailbox for rewards. You're just going to check your mailbox then for the rewards. So go to your mailbox here and press claim. That's it. There's more codes, so I will again put it in the description box or in the comment section. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!